We are gonna go to a place called the Pork Pit, who are jerk masters of Montego Bay and one of the best places to eat jerk in Jamaica. There we're gonna see their process of how they smoke the jerk, especially the jerk pork and jerk chicken. We're gonna see their seasoning. This is gonna be an ultimate day of Jamaican jerk in Jamaica. Before we get started with the day, we're stopping for a quick snack, a Jamaican patty. What's up, Andrew? Whoa, place is huge.
I don't know which one's a chicken or which one's a beef.
But beef is the one?
Beef is the one. Yep.
Sorry. Thank you. We're actually on our way to the market, but yeah, we had to stop to get the juices flowing. We're having a Jamaican patty. People are passionate about Jamaican patties. This is gonna be my first time to try a Jamaican patty.
Well done.
Oh man.
Go on in, man.
I've been waiting for this. This is awesome.
So you get the patties always come in a brown paper bag, 2 in 1. And Matt and Andrew said, there's no way you're eating one. You have to eat 2 at a time.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Pull this guy out. And also the common thing is to eat it out of the brown paper bag. My first bite of a Jamaican patty. Oh yeah. It's like flaky, kind of like buttery crust. Meat in the center, this one's beef. And then just like, tastes a little bit of the spicy, tastes a little bit of the pimento, right?
Yeah.
That kind of cinnamon, sweet cinnamony taste to it.
So it's just ground beef that they season and put it in the crust and bake it.
It's just straight like comfort food at its finest. Wow. As you keep on eating, the flavor actually gets better. I can understand why they're so popular and why they're so addictive. Yeah, there's just nothing not to like about it. Even like on the edges, it's more crusty and flaky. Oh yes, step out of the van, you can immediately smell the jerk. Yes, smokiness. And when you're in Montego Bay, look for the massive cotton tree right in the center. That's the landmark. You know you're at the Pork Pit. Nice to meet you. Oh, Mark.
Mark.
I'm Mark also.
Yeah. Mark?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh,
yes.
wow.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. We're in the pit now, and it is just an unbelievable, it literally is a smoldering, smoking sea. And if you put your ear close down to the grill there, to that smoldering grill, you can hear kind of the hiss of both that wood kind of like smoldering with that heat, as well as the juices from the pork just kind of seeping out. And then that entire planks, the poles of wood are just topped with just like pieces, chunks of pork that have been marinated in all of that jerk seasoning. And Matt was explaining to me that the pork here at the Pork Pit, it actually marinates for a week. A week. That jerk seasoning is just like seeping into the meat before it ever goes on the grill. And then again, it's just a long grill process. So the smoke goes into it, layer upon layer of jerk. Unbelievable process. Pork is your meat of choice, but chicken is also available on this grill. So 2 grills going.
Look for a nice juicy one for you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Mark's choosing us the juiciest of all juicies.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
You got rice and peas, pepper shrimp.
Pepper shrimp. We got the food, we got the rice. Matt also ordered some pepper shrimp. There's some festival, which are fried dough stick. There's some bammy. We got the jerk chicken and we got the jerk pork. And okay, I have to begin with that jerk pork. He chops it up, slices it up. You can get fatty pieces, you can get more meaty, lean pieces. But if you just take a piece, take a nugget and look at that marinade, that seasoning, that jerk rub spice blend mixture. You guys, get in on here. Get in on here. Oh, wow. Wow, that jerk is unexplainably tasty.
Let's see that ring around it.
Yeah. Dude.
My favorite place to eat, man. Favorite place on the island to eat.
It's the smokiness. It's the pimento, that allspice. You taste the thyme in there, the garlic, ginger, all those essential jerk seasoning spices.
And it's just a fusion of goodness. It's a fusion of Jamaica.
Yeah.
That's all it is. It's just Jamaica.
Jamaica in one bite.
One bite.
And one more step to the perfect pork pit jerk experience. What do you call it?
This is
Just
the
pepper
sauce,
sauce. Pepper
pepper
sauce.
sauce.
Scotch bonnet pepper sauce. And the pro move.
Pro move, take off the top.
Yeah, you don't want to. That's way too small of a
that's
of
not
a
enough
hole.
pepper in
Way
there
too small of a
yeah.
hole at the top. The chunk. You want the chunks.
You want the chunks of the Scotch bonnet pepper
The
mixed
Scotch
up in the sauce.
Oh yes. I want as much. That's what you are looking for. The chunkiness. The bulk.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yes. Go back in for a nugget of jerk. Oh, look at that. Look at that piece. And I'm gonna use that to scoop up the Scotch bonnet. And actually I'm gonna have to grab another piece of pork to scoop on as much chunk. Scotch bonnet chunk and garlic. I need a little juice to top it off. A little more juice to, and that, there you have one of the greatest bites of jerk. Cheers.
Cheers. Wow.